Ew, I'm scared. I'm scared. Ew. Oh, it feels good though.
Well, hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day, and today's video is going to be a really soft and easy get ready with me video. Adam and I are going to the zoo today. We'll insert some footage at the end of us doing fun zoo things, and I haven't been to a zoo in forever, so today I decided I could film my face for what I'm gonna wear today, and it'd be fun because I want to do something light but still kind of cutesy, but not like overly like baby doll cutesy or anything. So this is what I came up with. It's really nice. The skin looks good but not too much coverage, and big lashes and soft eye look. I also wanted to try out the Voss Essentials palette, which is what I used today. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, before we get started, today's video is sponsored by Poshmark, and Poshmark is an amazing app I've talked about on my channel many times. Poshmark is a site where you can get designer things for up to 70% off retail price. I personally have bought tons of like brand new makeup up there, as well as clothing. I follow a lot of brands up there that I really enjoy but are really expensive and I can't afford normally. So I'll follow things like Dolls Kill and Killstar and Black Milk, and I'll follow them to see who posts things for a discounted price, especially limited edition items you can find all the time. So if you love designer things, designer handbags, designer shoes, anything like that, even workout clothes, you can find them on Poshmark for up to 70% off retail price. I list things on Poshmark all the time just because, you know, you can get a little bit of cash for it. And honestly, my favorite thing about Poshmark is like once everyone rates your things when you sell something, I can get a direct deposit and it comes in like the next day. It's amazing. So some things I'm listing on Poshmark are this Beauty and the Beast mosaic black milk dress. It's a really expensive dress, but unfortunately it's just a little small for me, but it's absolutely stunning. I'm also listing this brand new outfit with the tags from Dolls Kill, which is a little fur piece. This is the halter top and it has a matching belt. Also this little dress from Delia's, because it's just kind of short on me, but it was really expensive. And you can also list things that aren't clothing related. So I'm also listing this, which we got in our Boxy Luxe this month. But of course, I just don't have the use for it, and I figure I can get a couple dollars for it. Download Poshmark using the link at the top of my description box and shop from my closet or some of your favorite brands. So I want to thank Poshmark for sponsoring today's video. Check them out in the link at the top of the description box, and now let's get into the video. Well, hello. So I did my brows and foundation off camera. I feel like that's really repetitive, so I don't want to show it on camera every time. But yeah, I did really kind of light foundation today, just because if I am going outside and it's going to be hot, I don't wear too much foundation where it's going to cake and get gross and sweaty and greasy and like that's not cute. So I did like a pretty semi-medium foundation today. It's the Stay Naked by Urban Decay. Yeah, so that's what I did, and I also did my brows using the Yes Please palette by Colourpop. So let's start with my face, because my face is looking really pale and not cute today. So this is the Milani Silky Matte in 01, which is their lightest bronzer. And I'm just going to dust this all over my face with this powder brush I've had for a million years by Danielle. I think I found it at like TJ Maxx or something like 4 years ago, and I still use it, and I don't know why. I'm just dusting the outside of my face. I'm not going to go in near under my eyes or too much around my mouth area because I don't want to get like a 5 o'clock shadow, you know? Next then I'm going with my FX Perfector face palette. This is the one we broke on camera like a week or two ago, and I'm still upset about it. But I'm going to be mixing in the contour shade and the highlighting powder, finishing powder together. And I'm using my Sigma Curved Kabuki F83 brush, which is my favorite contouring brush. I know since I announced this brush was in my brush set, a lot of you guys have tried it and love it, and I'm very happy with it because like it's such a weird shaped brush and it makes a lot of people intimidated because they don't know what to do with it. It's not the normal contouring brush, but honestly, I love hearing you guys tell me how much you love it and you tried it after buying my brush set because it's the best and it really separates the contour, but I don't feel like it gets stuck in certain parts of your skin. Next up for blush, I'm using the Big Blush Book number 3 from Tarte. We just talked about this in my monthly favorites video, which you probably saw yesterday or the day before. I don't know when this video is going up. But I'm just going to dip into the colors Rad and Peachy and mix these two together for my blush. I wanted something kind of like cutesy today, but not like over the top cutesy because you do like too much and it's going to like crap at the end of the day. So I'm going to be like a little bit delicate with it, I guess. And my eye look is not going to be super complex because if I do like a ton of fun eyeliner or some kind of graphic eyeliner design, it's going to be a sweaty, gross mess, and I don't want that. Next up for highlight, we are taking my favorite highlighter of all time, which is Ofra's Pillow Talk, and I am obsessed. And I don't know how I haven't pan on this yet. Like, it's super, super soft, and I use it constantly. I don't know how I haven't hit pan on it yet, but I'm pretty sure I will soon. I can see it coming through a little bit, but I will definitely buy another one of these when I run out of this because it's my favorite thing to ever exist in the entire world. So the other highlight I'm going to go into is Jeffree Star's Ice Cold for my inner corner highlight. I'm just going to take it on my pinky and apply it to my inner corner. I feel like it just makes a really good like placement that way. I don't know. You guys can tell me how you apply your inner corner highlight, but if you use it with a brush, I feel like it's going to brush away your concealer and powder there. So I just kind of pack it on my pinky. Because I'm a professional. Okay, so I'm going to prime my lids with a little bit of concealer. Now that we did like our skin, even though it's all technically skin, that sounds really gross to call it skin. Oh my god, why does that sound so nasty? But my eyelids just have a little bit of concealer on them to prime. And I'm going to be trying out the Voss Essentials palette. We got this in the Boxy Luxe this month, and I am excited to try it out. So this palette color scheme is really cute. It reminds me of the Through My Eyes palette, but like mini by Colourpop. So I want to try this one today, and it has a yellowy gold in here, but it's a shimmer, so we're going to like blast that over the inner corner of my eye because a yellow eyeshadow is my entire life. I'm going to take the color Sand real quick and just buff this over the outer half of the crease with a Sigma E38 brush. I'm just going to tap this on and like see how this color performs. I have a couple other Violet Voss palettes and the quality is really good on some of them, but I never reached for them, so I'm hoping I can get some good use out of the smaller one. Okay, so this color so far is performing really nicely. I like the tone of it. It's really unique. I feel like there's a ton of different like neutrals and then warms and stuff, but this is really in between, and I think it's super cute. And it blends out pretty nicely. There's very minimal fallout in the pan, and you know, I don't know, so far so good. I'm going to go into the shade Dusty Rose, which is this more cool tone kind of pink. And I'm going to start adding to that crease. Next up, I'm going to take Cinnamon, which is this burnt kind of color, very lightly on the brush, and just darken up the very, very outer corner. Like, I'm not going to buff it too much into the crease. I'm just going to kind of set it in this outer portion. Next up, I'm going to take that Sand shade again on a Sigma E44 brush. Just going to go over that crease area we left open before. Just buff a little bit of color there, because I don't know how well the shimmer is going to hold. I don't really know the shimmer quality yet. And I'm just going to take my finger, take the gold shade, which is literally just called gold, and just pack it in the inner portion of the lid. For the rest of the lid shade, I'm going to take the shade Cream on that same finger I used for the gold, just to kind of mix it together, and just buff that over the rest of the lid. I don't want anything like super dramatic or super, super colorful. But now I kind of look like candy corn, which is fine. Candy corn's great. I'm using that same blending brush from before to blend all of these colors together. Make it a big, colorful, candy corn gushy mess, I guess. Is that a thing? It's a thing. For the lower lash line, I'm taking a Sigma E59 brush, which is a really big, fat shader brush. And I'm going to take the shade Sand mixed in with a little bit of Dusty Rose. And just buff it under the lower lash line. A lot of people skip to the lower lash line if it's going to be a really neutral, soft color under here. But if you do skip it, it doesn't make your eyes look as big. So I always do it even if it's a neutral shade underneath, just because it brings my eyes forward and makes them look bigger, which is always needed. For eyeliner today, I'm going to do something I've been doing lately. I don't know why. I don't even know if it looks good. It could look like crap, but I just think it's fun. So I'm going to take the Hank & Henry Blickety Black thing, the Slick With It that we got in, I think it was BoxyCharm this month, which is just an eyeliner with a brush. And I'm going to do a tiny little baby wing with like 3 dots underneath. I don't know why I've been doing that. I just think it's kind of cute. It might not be, but I'm going to do it anyways. That was a terrible idea. These are little lines, not dots underneath today. I did it at an angle. Oh well, it's fine. So because the eyeliner went awry, I'm just gonna make it a double wing. Because that's a thing, right? It's a thing. It looks like one. It's two. I don't know. I'm not erasing it. Well, it's definitely not my favorite thing I've ever done to my face. But I'm leaving it because you mess up eyeliner and you erase it, it's just gonna smudge everything and it's not worth all that effort. I'll just be weird looking today. It's fine. So I'm gonna use the Lash Princess mascara by Essence and pop on some lashes off camera, and I'll be right back and we can finish up this face. Alright, so I'm back and I put on some big lashes to cover up our wing fiasco going on, but honestly, even when I close my eye, like, the wing looks bizarre, but it's fine. So next, I'm going to take the Stila Glitter and Glow in Perlina, which is like the white one, and I'm going to take it on a little flat brush. I double coat both sides of the brush, and I'm going to tuck it underneath my lower lashes in the inner corner. It just makes my eyes look more awake. Ever since I've been adding this glitter underneath my lower lashes, it makes it look so cutesy. I'm really into it, and I don't think I know how to stop now. I'm going to need another one of these because I'm using Perlina like pretty freaking quickly. Next up for eyeliner, I'm using the Tarte Fake Awake because I'm going to be out all day, and this is the only eyeliner that will stay in your waterline, inevitably. Especially for nudes because I am a nude eyeliner connoisseur. Makes your eyes look bigger, and this is the only one that like will stay put all day. Like at the end of the day, you're taking this out of your waterline with your makeup wipe. It's so good. It's pretty expensive, but like I would never want another nude eyeliner more than I want this one. Hey!
What's up?
I can resist you if I wanted to.
No, you can't.
Yeah, huh? No, I know. Alright, so for lips, finally, I'm going to use Jeffree Star's Christmas Cookies because this is a really good nude, and I don't have to touch it up during the day, which is great. Because I'm lazy. And sometimes you don't want to take your lipstick with you everywhere. I am going to need another one of these, though, because mine's awfully dry. Would you like to say hello?
No.
What is it then?
Keep filming.
Hi. Okay, so I decided I need more blush, and then we're gonna spray my face and we'll be done. Yay! But I look really flat. Do I look really flat to you?
No, remember you have a round face apparently.
No, I do have a really round face, but like my skin tone is very flat. So I'm gonna go back into that big blush book and go into, let's do Mindful and Rad. These, just because I need more blush. And maybe a baby bit more highlight too. Just don't judge me. Don't judge me. Alright, now I am going to spray my face. I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Naked Cherry one. It smells like the worst doctor's office cherry lollipop you've ever had in your life. It does not smell great. But anything cherry, your girl's gonna buy. So I bought it when it came out, and I don't know why I still need this, but All Nighter is the only All Nighter I have. I'm gonna use it. I could use the Morphe setting spray, but like I feel like All Nighter, if I'm going out, is guaranteed to lock me down. So this is the finished look. It's super, super neutral, super easy, and kind of cutesy, I guess. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'll insert some cute footage of us at the zoo today. Yeah, it'll be fun. Thank you guys, and I'll see you later.
Hello? Babe, say hi. Say hello. Huh? To the internet.
Oh, hi internet.
Can I have one?
No.
What? Oh, pretty. Touch it. What does it feel like? go.
Thank you.
Step back just a little bit. Thank you.
So cute. So cute.
Delicious.
That's not what people do. You can't just be cute for us. Okay, fine.
High five. Oh. Okay.